Hello and welcome back to Zone of the Enders. In our last episode we defeated one of the big bosses. Let's continue and see if we can rescue these people that need help. That was at the end. It is now time for some more high-speed robot action. Let's load up.
What is it?
At present, I have no idea.
Look, they're serious about destroying the colony.
Allow me to interrupt. I have to show you our mission orders.
We've seen this last mission.
Something shining in this.
Right, first things first. You see the question mark here? Let's go here first. Because we'll get a new sub item to use. All we have to do is go into the level. Go forward.
We have obtained the item.
And we've got the item mummy. Now, that mummy is, when you use it, lets you heal. So it's pretty good to grab when we can. Now let's go see if we can rescue these civilians in town too. Looks like there's been one hell of a battle going on here. We got some downed units from both sides.
Let me indicate with a marker the buildings which have vital activity. In such buildings, defenseless citizens unable to flee still remain.
There are many people still in the buildings, Leo, so be careful.
I know, but at least I have to exterminate the enemy in this area.
Right, let's draw these guys off.
We have shot down the enemy. Civilian casualties increasing due to battle. We have shot down.
We lost some civilians there. I don't know where that happened.
We have obtained the passcode. Enemy backup force is approaching our location.
I always try to draw the enemies off from the civilian center, but sometimes you'll just get that where the will actually hit a civilian place. Right.
We will hold battle position. We have shot down.
Right, next one.
We have obtained the Metatron ore. Enemy backup force is approaching our
Alright, let's draw them off away from that civilian house.
We have shot down the enemy.
We couldn't save everyone, but we did what we could.
We have shot down the enemy. Confirmed all the enemy frames are destroyed. I will report damage to neighboring areas from this battle. There are a few damaged buildings. A few were injured or killed.
I know you did your best, Leo.
Right, let's find the server because we did pick up a passcode. So it should be about here somewhere. Let's have a look. Ah, there it is. Lit up.
We have obtained the program.
Ah, we've got phalanx. Now, mummy, if you use your thing, it'll heal you like that. So it's a good one to have. Right, we finished here. Let's go to the next area. Okay. So we gotta go back to the factory. Just check out the town. Nope. No special item there or there. So whenever you see an area with a question mark on it, go investigate. So you'll get a goodie.
Now we will head for the local server to transplant the necessary information. But first, we need to destroy the enemy with the passcode for the local server.
I see.
The star-marked frames show the leaders.
So
Destroying the leader first will lower the level of the entire party.
So if you destroy the leader, the enemy's coordination goes to crap.
We will hold battle positions. We have shot down the
Now you can see these enemies have been severely weakened
We have obtained the passcode.
due to their leader being destroyed.
We will hold battle positions. We have shot down the enemy. Damage to the surroundings increasing due to battle. We have shot down the enemy.
Yeah, it's best to get rid of all the enemies before you actually
We will hold battle positions.
you go to the server. Then you're not gonna get disturbed.
We have shot down the enemy. We have shot down the enemy.
Alright, there's only one squad of enemies left. Let's get rid of them. And they've got some phalanxes for us.
We will hold battle positions. We have shot down the enemy. We have shot down the enemy. We will cease battle position.
Right, let's go find the server. Is that it? Ah, it's down here.
We have obtained the Metatron ore.
Alright, we're topped off as health.
We have obtained the program. Let me give you the next mission instructions. Depart the industrial area.
Okay, you heard the lady. Let's get out of here.
Let me report the current situation status. The enemy has taken over the colony's EPS system in order to win mastery of the air.
EPS?
All civilian flying objects in the colony are fueled by microwave energy from the outer EPS system, as mandated by the Environmental Protection Law. The enemy is using the EPS to form a barrier, a microwave energy field in the sky over the colony.
You mean it's dangerous?
Yes. Being within the energy field is like being in a microwave oven. Jehuti itself would not suffer much damage, but any vital life form would not survive.
Leo.
So what can we do?
We have no choice but to disrupt the energy field by destroying the EPS system. This colony block has two facilities which supply EPS energy. Two EPS antennas are housed in two mountains in the center of the colony. By turning these two antennas to face each other, the enemy has created a massive microwave energy field in the center of the colony. Our first task is to destroy those two EPS antennas. There is another related target. You see the colony shaft ahead of us? It carries the main power supply to the EPS antennas from the axis of the colony. By damaging the relay block of the shaft, we can weaken the EPS energy flow, if not stop it.
So, the shaft and two antennas. Okay, let's do it.
Current status is that the EPS antennas are not accessible. We should journey to block D07, where the shaft is located. I will show you with a marker on the screen.
Not again.
I suggest you restrict yourself to your duties.
I know, but
Alright, we've got some more people needing help. Let's see if we can do a better job this time. There's an item here at the factory, actually. Let's see what's here. Maybe it's more mummies. It's over here. Let's go grab it.
We have obtained the item.
It's always good to get more of them. Alright, let's go rescue these people. I think they're at the church this time.
Detected vital activity near the church where your passenger was uploaded.
Someone must have run away in that direction. Leo, can we go save them?
I will mark the building with vital activity. We will hold battle position. Current damage increasing due to battle.
Yeah, this mission,
We are heading for the outer area of
as long as you don't fight near the church, you'll be fine.
the enemy. We will cease battle position. We will hold battle position.
If you,
Enemy backup force is approaching our location.
which is good. We want the enemy backup force around this ditch.
We have shot down the enemy. Enemy backup forces are in battle position. Current damage increasing due to battle. We have shot down the enemy. Enemy backup force is approaching our location. We have shot down the enemy. We have obtained the Metatron ore. Damage to the surroundings increasing due to battle. We will hold battle position. We have shot down the enemy.
As long as we don't fight near the church, we're fine.
We will cease battle position. We will hold battle position. We have shot down the enemy. Current damage increasing due to battle. We have shot down the enemy. We will cease battle position. We will hold battle position. Damage to the surroundings increasing due to battle. We have shot down the enemy.
This is the last squad of enemies.
We have shot down the enemy. Mission accomplished. I will report damage to neighboring areas from this battle. Many buildings were damaged. No casualties.
You did it!
Right, let's get this item.
We have obtained the Metatron ore.
Right, area change, and we'll go to the next area. We saved everyone that time, so that's pretty good. Right, let's head to City 1. As we can see, the colony shaft is still behind the
Field is already used.
energy field.
No sign of vital activity in this block. I assume the microwave energy field has eliminated all vital forms.
It's awful.
So, what do you suggest?
Destroy the EPS relay block at the base of the shaft.
You mean I shoot from here?
Yes, but it is a long shot. Besides, Jehuti's energy weapons will not work within the field. We should find some primitive long-distance weapon to impact the target physically.
Where can we find such a weapon?
We have confirmed the conditions at the target. Let us leave now and locate a suitable weapon.
Let's try the javelin, 'cause it just seems like a throwing weapon. Nope. That don't work. What about the phalanx?
We will hold battle position.
I just wanted to show them off. Let's just get rid of this guy for... Ooh.
Enemy backup force is approaching our location. Enemy backup forces are in battle position. We have shot down the enemy. We have shot down the enemy.
And this is the attack I was on about. It does a lot of damage.
Enemy backup force is approaching our location. Damage index exceeding 50%. Damage index exceeding 75%, indicating major damage.
And this is why we have the mummies.
We have shot down the enemy.
So from level 3 they get that really annoying attack.
We have shot down the enemy. We have obtained the medic.
Right, let's get out of it, because there's not much we can do here at the minute. We just got rid of a few annoying enemies, just to have a bit of a battle. Now I believe it was Town 2 is the item we actually need. Yes. The game doesn't actually tell you, it expects you to go looking, but I've played this before, so I know where what we need is. So this part's a little bit
I
tedious.
detect a vector trap. It appears there is a hidden object in this area.
Vector trap?
It is one of the Metatron-related technologies. Jehuti's weapon storage system and the Urenvet catapult are some of its applications. When you apply high-energy and high-speed rotation to Metatron, you can observe an effect where false space is pulled into the direction of its axis. By simultaneously putting an object at the equilibrium point of compression and expansion, space will recover to its normal
Alright.
condition.
That's enough. I can't understand you. Say it more simply.
Destroy the objects called Porter in this area, and then something will happen.
That's all I wanted to know.
There are several Porters. They are small, and besides, you cannot lock onto them, so be careful when you search for them.
Yeah, so that's them glowy things there.
We will hold battle position.
But we need to get rid of these annoying enemies.
Enemy backup forces are in battle position. I recommend you initiate a one-on-one battle in distant condition. Damage to the surroundings increasing due to battle. Enemy backup force is approaching our location. We have shot down the enemy.
Yeah, the enemies are trying to overrun us.
We have shot down the enemy.
But we're better than the enemies, so we can beat them all.
Damage index exceeding 50%. Damage to the surroundings increasing due to battle.
When you normally destroy them mummy heads, you do get some form of repair.
Round 4.
There's two squads left. So to hit these, right, we have to
We have destroyed a Porter.
use this little sight. It's very hard to hit.
We will hold battle position. We have shot down the enemy. Enemy backup forces are in battle positions. I recommend
Wow.
you stand back a certain distance and attack the enemy one by one. We are heading for the outer area of the battle.
He's using a weapon called Geyser. We haven't got that yet.
We have shot down the enemy.
Right, we need to get rid of this guy so it'll weaken all the others.
We have shot down the enemy. We have obtained the Megatron ore. We will cease battle position.
Right, there's no more enemies left here. So all we gotta do is destroy these porters now.
We have destroyed a porter.
This part's a little bit tedious.
We have destroyed a porter. We have destroyed a porter. Damage to the surroundings
Oops.
increasing due to battle. We have destroyed a
Yeah,
porter.
they can be quite difficult to hit these damn things.
Vector trap has been released.
Right, we've got them all. Now where's the item? Check on your map. There's one behind us.
We have obtained the item.
Okay, we've got a sniper rifle.
A primitive weapon from Earth. It should work.
All right, let's head for the shaft.
Okay, let's go. We can knock down that force shield a little bit now so we can progress. Any hidden items? Nope. No more mummy to collect at the minute. Looks like they're having a rave here or something. It was pretty cool. Okay, so we want to equip the sniper. I can't even see where the reticle is. One.
We will hold battle position.
Yeah, this will happen in this mission. When you're trying to get rid of these.
We have shot down the enemy. We will cease battle position.
I'm not sure where the reticule is. We're at the top. Any more at the top?
We will hold battle position.
It's good the enemies are coming to me. Just saves me hunting down the rest of them later.
Enemy backup force is approaching our location. We have shot down the enemy. We have obtained the Megatron ore. We have shot down the enemy. We have shot down the enemy. We will cease battle position.
And he's got a passcode. I'm not sure where the target is again. Maybe the middle. I'll just have to guess.
Destroy the EPS relay block at the base of the shaft by using a long-distance weapon.
I am here, there I am. Right, I think there should be one more.
Destruction of the target is confirmed.
I did it!
EPS has switched its power supply to an emergency generator. Power is still being supplied to the EPS by an emergency generator we were unable to destroy. But since the field has shrunk, we can now approach the EPS antennas on top of the mountains.
Next target is a couple of antennas.
Right, so we want to take out this guy. So he's got a passcode. So enemies with a passcode always have new weapons for us. So he's just give us the geyser. And we'll get rid of these guys. There's only this is the final squad of enemies in the area. Okay, so they should be it's in the corner. There we go. And we've obtained a new ability, Geyser. But we don't have any at the minute. Okay, so we want to give for an area change. And
you can see 2 EPS antennas on the mountains ahead of us. We can now approach them and destroy them.
And we're gonna call that an episode. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again next time. Have a good day, everyone.